Hey y'all, it's Nisha here and welcome to today's video. I know by now y'all know that I've picked up these products because I've talked about it so many times in my most recent videos, but I picked up the newest products from Kinky Tresses. We have the Botanical Curl Defining Gel and also the Botanical Curl Defining Mousse. Now, I have already tried these for a wash and go, and I'm not going to give y'all any hints if you haven't checked out the video. I'll go ahead and link it up in the cards for you, but basically now we're going to see if this works for a twist out, braid out. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. I think I might do a twaid out today. I haven't done a twaid out in a little bit. Or I might do a twist out. I don't really know. But anyways, we're just going to see how these perform on my hair for those styles, because this is supposed to be a very versatile little combo, I guess you can say, that can be used for all different styles. So we're going to test it out on multiple styles. But first, before we get into this video, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell. I post new videos twice a week, so if you're subscribed, you don't hit that notification bell, then you won't miss another upload from me. So let's just go ahead and get into whatever style I'm doing with these products. Alright y'all, so my hair is freshly washed like 2 days ago. I did my hair 2 days ago and it got late and I was like, do I care about myself? I do. So we're not going to stay up late and do my entire full wash day. So I just slapped some leave-in conditioner and put it in these 6 braids. I just went about my business the past couple of days. Yeah. Do any of y'all do that? Like, y'all are just like, you know what? My whole entire wash day is not getting done today. We'll try again another day. I don't do it often, but I did it this time. So like I said, my hair is freshly washed. I did throw some leave-in conditioner, but we're gonna go in with some more leave-in conditioner because it has been a few days. My hair has dried out. I did re-wet it in the shower in these little 6 braids, so my hair is damp. With this mousse and this gel, we are going to just go ahead and be in the Kinky Tresses family. So I am going to go in as my leave-in with the avocado infusion hair milk. And then on top of that, we're going with the coconut mango hair butter. Y'all know that I freaking love this butter so much. I don't know why it took me forever to try this combo, but this combo, these two together, bomb. This by itself don't really care for, but when it's matched with this coconut mango hair butter, it's amazing. So we're gonna have this as my leave-in and my butter. And then, unlike my wash and go video, we're not going to do combinations of both because that's just too much. I don't really feel like doing all of that. So, but we are going to test both of these. So I am going to do the curl defining gel on this side and then the mousse on this side and just see how both of them perform pretty much. I do have a video just on the leave-in and the cream if you're just curious about how those two work in my hair. I think I did a twist out in that video. Loved the twist out, but just in case you haven't checked that video out, I'll go ahead and leave it up in the cards for you. I'm fairly new to Kinky Tresses. I know they've been around for a while, but I just now tried them in 2022. Then we're gonna go into the butter. Whoo, y'all. I just already know how this is about to feel in my hair. It's going to feel marvelous. Amazing. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just put it on this entire section. Probably am going to split that section up just a little bit. So I'm not going to go into too much detail about these two products, as like I said, I've already gone into detail about them in my wash and go video, but I do want to let y'all know that the ingredients for both of these are very similar. Even though this is a gel, this is a mousse, they have very similar ingredients. I do notice that there's no aloe vera juice, there's no coconut oil, there is some protein in here, there is some olive oil in both of these, and there's no glycerin. So love that, because y'all know glycerin for styling products is not a fave of mine. In fact, none of these products have glycerin in them. This is the consistency of the gel. It is definitely more like a custard and not like your traditional gels. I meant to do this earlier, so we're just gonna go ahead and do this on camera. I'm assuming that everything mixes, but you never know. Can't always just assume that because it's from the same brand that everything is going to mix well. So I'm literally taking the leave-in, the butter, and the gel and mixing it. Okay, at first it was like curling up a little bit, but now it's kind of smoothing out. I'm gonna add a little bit more gel because I didn't like really put a lot of gel in here. And I know I can be heavy-handed. Ooh, okay, now that I added more gel, y'all see that? Am I setting myself up for failure? I don't know, y'all. I might be setting myself up for failure, but we're still going to try it out. Lord Jesus. What do I be getting myself into? I think we're gonna do a twaid-out just so I can go in with chunkier sections. So y'all pray for me. Y'all saw how those products mix together. I'm gonna go not as heavy-handed with the gel because when I added more gel to the mixture, that's when things started to look crazy. But when I just had like a little bit of gel, it was like kind of smooth. The heavy-handedness in me wants to add more product. I'm just gonna add just a little bit. Just a little bit. Nothing crazy. Alright, y'all, so that is one twaid down. I'm going to keep doing the gel side, and once we're done, we're going to move on to the mousse combo and see how that works. I feel like because it's a mousse, I'm not going to have, like, mixing issues like I might have with this gel. So I should be pretty good on this side, but we'll be back once I start the mousse side. Y'all, so we're all twisted up on this side, braided up, twisted up, twaided up. Excuse my now ashy face. I went and put on some sunscreen that gives me a slight cast, so that's why I look a little bit more ashy than I was previously. But now we're gonna go ahead and get into this side of my hair. But we're gonna get into this mousse. Supposed to tame frizz, define curls, add shine, and flexible hold, fast drying. You know what mousses typically claim to do. But you know, I'm gonna go in with the leave-in and the butter first in each of my sections. Y'all, I need to get a trim so bad. I know when my ends start to tangle up a little bit, it's time to get a trim, so probably gonna get one maybe next week. Going in with the butter and with a nice healthy amount. So the thing about this mousse is that I promised when I was first using it, the pump was working perfectly fine, and now I feel like the pump isn't working that well. Like, it don't be foaming up, and y'all, my hands are slippery. There you go. I'm gonna use about 2 pumps. That may or may not be too much. I think it's good enough. I think we'll just use 2 pumps for each section. Alright y'all, we have 1 twaid down. Y'all know the drill. Gonna do the rest of my hair. And then we'll be back to see the twisted up, twaided up, wet results, and all that good stuff. I don't know if y'all are seeing this now, but it's like not foaming up anymore. It's like just coming out more liquidy. I don't know if y'all just see, like it's just running out. Ooh. It's like you have to shake it up before you pump each time, which is annoying. Y'all, so we are done applying both of the products each side. Well, all my products, all my Kinky Tresses products. This side has had a little time to dry. This is the gel side. And then this side, well, at least the front, I don't know, maybe I was, you know, kind of heavy-handed in the front. But anyways, this is the side with the mousse. Y'all, this mousse, like, the pump is done for. Literally, it was a little bit of foam and mostly just liquid, and I hate that. It was so freaking annoying. So even if this turns out bomb, I'm probably giving the mousse away or doing something with it. I won't be using it again because it's just annoying. The pump is annoying. But anyways, we're gonna let this sit, marinate. I'll come back for the takedown and share my final thoughts and my final results with y'all. So I'll see y'all in a couple of days. Hey y'all, so it is the next day and these are what my results look like. And y'all, I had every intention of taking my hair down on camera for y'all because I know some of y'all don't care, but I know some of y'all do like to see the takedown, and I totally forgot. Well, not that I forgot to do it, but I was in a rush this morning. I wanted to film some Instagram content, and so I really just didn't have time to like sit in front of the camera and take my hair down. But if you're curious about how I, you know, take down without really causing frizz or anything like that, and separate and fluff my hair, especially when I have in twaids, I do have a dedicated video that I'll link up in the cards for you where I do like an in-depth of how I take down my styles, how I take down a twaid and cause the least amount of frizz as possible. So you can check that video out. And again, I'm sorry for those of you who wanted to see it. I just, you know, I'm on the go trying to get things done before work started this morning. But back to these results. So this is what my hair looks like. This is the gel side and it did not flake. I have no flakes whatsoever. So that's good. Even though, you know, that concoction on my hand looked kind of crazy, there's no flaking or anything crazy like that in my hair. So that's good. And then this is the mousse side. So to be quite honest, I don't really feel much of a difference in either side. They both feel very similar. The mousse side is a little bit more soft. My hair in general is very soft, which makes me feel like I'm not going to have much hold. Unfortunately, I won't have the privilege of showing you how this style lasts throughout the week because I need to get this video up today. So unfortunately, I won't be able to do that, but I can go ahead and tell you right now, the way my hair feels is that I don't think that this will last very long. There's like no like grit or like hold to it. Hey, so VoiceOver Nisha here, and the word I was looking for is cast. There is no cast. But I unfortunately did not get this video up the same day that I filmed my end results. And it's actually been 3 days. And I can actually say that my hair has actually lasted. So even though there's no cast and it's more on the soft side, it has lasted these past 3 days. And my hair still looks really, really good. So just wanted to let y'all know. You know, like when you put a gel or you use like a cream that also has a strong hold or medium hold, you feel it on your hair and you know, okay, my hairstyle is going to last. I don't really feel that on my hair. I hope that makes sense. But I don't really feel that on my hair. It just looks and feels really defined and really soft. It does give me like a lot of body, which I do like. It's just the longevity, and that's the issue that I had with my wash and go, is the longevity. It didn't really last. Also, my hair doesn't feel dry either. My hair does feel very, very moisturized, which is good. And I think that has to do with me adding the coconut mango butter underneath the products. I bought them for wash and go styles, and now that I've tried this for wash and go and like a twisted style or twaid-out, I feel like I will use these up. Correction, I'll keep using the gel, but I'm not messing with that foam and the pump. It's But I don't think I will repurchase this again. I don't even know if this is available on their site. My wash and go video, I tried to link it for y'all and had taken them off the site, so I don't know if they're limited edition or they're going back into the lab and doing some reformulation or what have you. I don't know. But if you are able to purchase it, for me, this is not something that you need to run out and get. And for me, I would not repurchase this. So those are my thoughts. I still got a cute style, not gonna lie. It's very, very cute. Those are all of my thoughts. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you've tried or gotten your hands on the Kinky Tresses Botanical Curl Defining Gel and Mousse before they took it off their site. They took this off the site with a quickness. I don't even think it was on there for more than a month. But anyways, let us know if you got your hands on it. What are your thoughts? If you have any other questions or comments, again, leave them down below. And as always, I'm so grateful and thankful for each and every one of y'all watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!